Hi, you must be Emma. I'm Lily, your buddy. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Lily.
Don't be nervous. Follow me, I'll introduce you to some friends. Hey everyone, this is Emma. She's new here.
Hi Emma, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
Great, but class has already started.
Don't worry, he's always late.
Emma, where are you from?
I'm from Italy.
Wow, I love Italy. Pizza, pasta, gelato.
Yes, gelato is my favorite.
Let's order coffee and snacks. Emma, what would you like?
I'd like a cappuccino, please.
You're doing great.
Thanks, Lily. But sometimes it's difficult. English isn't easy for me.
Don't worry, everyone here understands. Practice makes perfect.
Oops, sorry about that.
Jake, you're a walking misunderstanding.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Misunderstanding means when someone doesn't understand something correctly.
Ah, okay, like me sometimes.
So, how was your first day?
Better than I expected. Thanks to you and the others.
Friends always help.
Friends always help.
See you tomorrow, Emma.
See you tomorrow, Lily. Emma walks home, feeling hopeful and excited about her new friends and adventures to come.